This video demonstrates how manually created process-independent goods movements are mapped in SAP Extended Warehouse Management. Such ad hoc actions are always required in daily warehouse operations when stock needs to be relocated independently of classic delivery-based processes. Typical practical examples include short-term relocations due to damage, targeted measures for slotting optimization, or moving entire logistical units. Here, the system distinguishes by the type of creation. While a specific warehouse task is created for individual products, a higher-level warehouse order is generated directly for the movement of complete handling units. First, transaction/SCWM/ad-hoc is called up. To do this, the transaction code is entered into the command field and confirmed with Enter. The selection data is now maintained in the upper area of the screen. In the product field, the desired material number is entered, for example, Spark-333. Via the advanced search, additional search parameters such as the source storage type and the source storage bin can be maintained to narrow down the stock selection. For the storage bin, the bin number 00100104 is entered. After entering the data, the selection is started via the search button. The system determines the available stock and displays it in the table area for selection. The desired stock line is then selected. Next, the quantity to be moved, the warehouse process type, and the desired destination storage bin are entered. Once all details have been maintained, the Create and Save button is selected. The system checks the entries and then generates the product-related warehouse task. This completes the manual creation of a product-related warehouse task. The next step shows the manual creation of a handling unit-related warehouse order. For this purpose, transaction SCWM/ADHU is called up. After starting the transaction, the entry screen for handling units appears. In the handling unit field, the number of the desired handling unit is entered, for example 800050, and confirmed with Enter. The system then automatically determines the master data of the handling unit and displays, among other things, the current storage bin. Subsequently, the desired destination bin for the handling unit is entered in the destination storage bin field. In contrast to the product-related warehouse task, this process does not involve individual products or quantities. Instead, the entire handling unit, including its contents, is moved as a closed logistical unit. After entering the destination bin, the Create plus Save button is selected. The system now checks in the background whether the destination bin is permissible for the handling unit and whether any other restrictions exist. If all checks are successful, the warehouse order is created and saved. The successful creation is confirmed by a green status message at the bottom of the SAP window. At the same time, the number of the newly created warehouse order is displayed. The warehouse order is now in the status open and is waiting for physical execution in the warehouse.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.